Investing refers to the act of allocating money or resources with the expectation of generating a profit or achieving a specific financial goal over the long term. It involves purchasing assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, or other financial instruments with the aim of earning a return on investment. Here are some steps to get started with investing. 1. Educate yourself. Familiarize yourself with investment concepts and strategies. Read books, articles, and reputable financial websites to gain a basic understanding of different asset classes, risk tolerance, diversification, and investment vehicles. Consider attending seminars or consulting with a financial advisor to enhance your knowledge. 2. Determine your risk tolerance. Assess your comfort level with risk. Investments inherently carry risks, and different investments come with varying levels of risk and potential returns. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you choose investments that align with your comfort level and financial goals. 3. Choose a brokerage or investment platform. Select a brokerage firm or investment platform that suits your needs. Consider factors such as fees, investment options, customer service, user interface, and research tools. Online brokerage platforms are popular choices as they provide easy access to a wide range of investment options. 4. Select your investments based on your investment plan. Start selecting specific investments. This could involve investing in individual stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, or other investment vehicles. Conduct thorough research on the investments you are considering, analyzing factors such as historical performance, company financials, and market trends. 5. Monitor and review your portfolio. Regularly monitor the performance of your investments and make adjustments as needed. Market conditions and personal circumstances may warrant rebalancing your portfolio or making changes to your investment strategy. Stay informed about financial news and updates that may impact your investments. 6. Stay disciplined and patient. Investing is a long-term endeavor. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan, review it periodically, and make adjustments as necessary to stay on track with your goals. 7. Seek professional advice if needed. If you feel overwhelmed or uncertain about investing, consider consulting with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual financial situation and goals. Remember that investing involves risks and there are no guarantees of returns. It's important to carefully consider your investment choices, diversify your portfolio, and be prepared for potential fluctuations in the market. Investing is a long-term strategy that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning.